Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll show you how you can use Butler, or more clearly, Trello's built-in automation. So let's get started. First, open your Trello board and go to the top right corner where you'll see the automation button. Click on it and you'll see options like rules, buttons, and email reports. Let's start with rules. Click on Create Rule and first select a trigger. For example, when a green label is added to a card by me. Then choose an action like moving the card to the top of the In Progress list. Click Save and your rule is now active. Now, whenever you add that green label to any card, Trello will automatically move it for you. There's nothing else you need to do. You can also create custom buttons for quick manual actions. Go to Buttons, click on Create Button, give it a name like Move to Progress, choose an icon, and then select your action. For example, move the card to the top of the In Progress list. Click Save, and now every time you click that button on a card, the action happens instantly.